Welcome. Now I introduce Styles group where you have many formatting options. By using these options, you can save your time. Cell Styles Gallery have multiple options with font size, font color, fill color, font styles, cell borders, heading styles, and title style. Now, activate cell A6 in Home tab, Styles group, click Cell Styles arrow button. You have many options here. Move your cursor and get live preview in cell A6. You can format background and font colors just one click. Now activate cell A4, then click Cell Styles arrow button. Move your cursor on different heading options. You can select titles and headings from here. You can create your own cell styles. Click cell H6. Click Cell Styles arrow button. Now click New Cell Style. Type your style name. Let's suppose orange. Click OK. You have custom styles here. Select these cells. Click Cell Styles button. Select Custom Styles. You have a result. In this way, you can create your own style.